Sweet Jamaica. National symbols. Jamaica's coat of arms. Jamaica's coat of arms, originally granted in 1661, is a powerful symbol of the island's heritage, independence, and the resilience of its people. At the center of the coat of arms is a shield, which features a white field with a red cross bearing 5 golden pineapples, representing the island's agricultural resources. The shield is supported by 2 figures, a female and male figure, each representing the island's indigenous Taino heritage. The female figure stands with a basket of fruit, which pays homage to the island's natural abundance, while the male figure holds a bow, symbolizing the strength of the early inhabitants. Above the shield is a helmet, from which emerges a crest with a crocodile atop a log, signifying Jamaica's unique wildlife and identity. Beneath the shield is a banner with the national motto, "Out of many, one people," which reflects the multicultural nature of Jamaica. This phrase celebrates the island's rich blend of African, European, and Asian influences, representing unity among its people despite their varied origins. The Jamaican coat of arms encapsulates the island's history, its triumph over adversity, and the strength drawn from its diversity, making it a proud emblem of national identity and unity. Jamaica's national flower. The Lignum Vitae, also known as the Tree of Life, is Jamaica's national flower, celebrated for both its beauty and its rich cultural significance. With its striking blue flowers, this tree stands out in Jamaica's natural landscape. Native to the island, the Lignum Vitae grows in coastal and inland areas, reaching up to 15 meters in height. Its wood, dense and durable, is known for its medicinal properties and its historical use in shipbuilding, where it was valued for its resistance to rot. The tree's vivid blue blossoms, which bloom in clusters, symbolize Jamaica's resilience and vitality, making it a fitting national symbol. The Lignum Vitae is also revered for its healing qualities, particularly the tree's bark and resin, which have been long used in traditional Jamaican medicine to treat ailments such as arthritis, fever, and inflammation. It is often seen as a symbol of strength and longevity, both for its medicinal uses and the tough, enduring nature of the tree itself. However, due to habitat loss and overharvesting, the Lignum Vitae has become increasingly rare, prompting efforts to protect and preserve this iconic species. The flower's deep blue color and historical significance remind Jamaicans of their island's natural beauty and the importance of safeguarding their heritage. Jamaica's national tree. The blue Mahoe, Hibiscus elatus, is Jamaica's national tree, celebrated for its striking appearance and its significance to the island's natural and cultural heritage. Growing in Jamaica's wet limestone and mountainous forests, this tall evergreen can reach heights of nearly 30 meters. Its smooth bark is typically grayish, but the tree is especially admired for the distinctive blue-green streaks in its hardwood, which give the species its name. When the tree blossoms, it produces hibiscus-like flowers that open yellow and may develop orange or reddish tones as they mature, adding to its visual appeal. The blue Mahoe is not just an aesthetic symbol. It is known for its strong, versatile wood used in fine furniture, carvings, and other artisan work. The tree represents the strength of the Jamaican people, and its unique timber, which is considered among the most attractive in the Caribbean, makes it a valued natural resource. Beyond its practical uses, the blue Mahoe stands as a symbol of national pride and unity. Its deep connection to Jamaica's landscape and history, securing its place as a national tree and reflecting the island's commitment to preserving its natural heritage for future generations. Jamaica's national bird. The Jamaican doctor bird, scientifically known as the red-billed streamer-tail, Trochilus polytmus, is one of Jamaica's most distinctive and cherished endemic species. Recognized as a national symbol, this hummingbird is renowned for the male's long, ribbon-like tail streamers and shimmering emerald plumage, features that inspired the traditional name doctor bird, recalling the coats worn by old-time medical practitioners. Found throughout Jamaica's forests and wooded areas, the species plays an essential role in pollinating a wide range of flowering plants, helping maintain the island's ecological balance and supporting the regeneration of native habitats. Its remarkable ability to hover in place is powered by rapid wing beats that create the familiar humming sound of hummingbirds, while the male's extended tail feathers add a unique mechanical whirring as he flies. The species shows clear differences between the sexes. Males display dramatic streamers and vivid coloration, while females are smaller, lack the elongated tail feathers, and have more subdued green and white plumage. These contrasts highlight the elegance and adaptability of the species, whose behavior and appearance have long fascinated naturalists and bird enthusiasts alike. Today, the doctor bird remains a symbol of national pride and an enduring representation of the island's unique wildlife. Its presence in folklore, art, and cultural history underscores its importance, ensuring that future generations will continue to value and protect one of Jamaica's most iconic birds and the natural heritage it represents. Jamaica's national fruit. The Ackee, Blegia sapida, is Jamaica's national fruit and is deeply ingrained in the island's culture and cuisine. Native to West Africa, it was introduced to Jamaica in the 18th century, where it quickly became a beloved staple in Jamaican dishes. The fruit is distinct with its red to yellowish-red pod that naturally opens when ripe, revealing 3 large black seeds surrounded by soft, creamy yellow areoles. Though delicious and nutritious when properly prepared, Ackee must be harvested and cooked with care, as the unripe fruit contains toxins that can be harmful if consumed. The most famous dish made with Ackee is Ackee and Saltfish, widely regarded as Jamaica's national dish, combining the fruit with salted cod, onions, and traditional spices. Beyond its culinary value, Ackee holds strong cultural significance in Jamaica. The fruit is rich in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and contains essential nutrients, making it an important part of the island's diet. The tree itself thrives in Jamaica's warm climate and is often seen as a symbol of the island's tropical abundance. Though Ackee may not be as well known outside the Caribbean, within Jamaica it remains a symbol of local flavor, heritage, and the creativity of Jamaican cooking. Its vibrant appearance and distinctive taste make it an unmistakable part of the island's identity. Ackee soap. The shell of the Ackee fruit is indeed used in some traditional Jamaican practices, including soap making. The hard outer shell of the fruit, once the flesh has been carefully removed, is sometimes repurposed as an ingredient in homemade soaps, especially in rural areas. The shell is believed to have natural properties that are gentle on the skin, making it an ideal base for crafting soaps that are both exfoliating and moisturizing. This sustainable use of the Ackee shell reflects Jamaican communities' resourcefulness and connection to nature, turning what would otherwise be waste into a useful product. The practice not only supports local craftsmanship, but also highlights the island's tradition of utilizing natural resources in creative and practical ways. Jamaica's national dish. Ackee and saltfish is a national dish of Jamaica, celebrated not only for its unique flavor, but also for its cultural significance. The dish features ackee and salted codfish, introduced to the Caribbean through European and North Atlantic trade. When prepared, the ackee resembles scrambled eggs in texture, with a mild, creamy flavor that pairs beautifully with a savory, flaky saltfish. The dish is typically cooked with onions, tomatoes, sweet peppers, and Scotch bonnet peppers, creating a rich and vibrant taste that reflects Jamaica's diverse culinary heritage. Ackee and saltfish is more than just a popular meal. It is a symbol of Jamaica's cultural history and culinary ingenuity. Traditionally served for breakfast or brunch, often accompanied by sides such as boiled green bananas, boiled or fried dumplings, ripe plantains, or breadfruit, ackee and saltfish remains a beloved dish across the island and among Jamaicans worldwide. Its enduring popularity showcases the island's ability to blend African, European, and Caribbean influences into something distinctly and uniquely Jamaican. Jamaica's flag. The Jamaican flag, adopted on August 6, 1962, the day the island gained independence from Britain, is a bold and enduring symbol of the nation's identity, pride, and unity. The flag features a diagonal gold cross, salter, that divides the design into 4 triangles, green at the top and bottom and black on the hoist and fly sides. Each color carries meaning, both officially and culturally. According to the official interpretation, black represents the strength and creativity of the Jamaican people. Gold symbolizes the natural wealth of the island and the brilliance of the sun, and green reflects hope and the richness of the land. Over time, these colors have also inspired a widely embraced cultural expression. Hardships there are, but the land is green and the sun shineth. This poetic interpretation links black with the struggles Jamaicans have endured, green with the fertile land and hope for the future, and gold with the warmth and promise of a bright life. Together, these meanings celebrate both the resilience and optimism of the nation. The Jamaican flag is flown with immense pride across the island and among its diaspora. It serves as a reminder of Jamaica's journey to independence, the strength of its people, and the enduring values of unity, hope, and cultural heritage that continue to guide the nation into the future. Jamaican currency, paper. Jamaica's currency is the Jamaican dollar, JMD, symbolized as a dollar sign or J followed by dollar sign to distinguish it from other dollar currencies. The paper money comes in denominations of 50, 100, 500, 1,000, and 5,000. Each bill is colorful and features portraits of important historical figures, including national heroes such as Marcus Garvey on the $500 note, Sir Alexander Bustamante on the $1,000 note, and Nanny of the Maroons on the $5,000 note. The notes also include a variety of security features designed to prevent counterfeiting. With their vibrant colors and imagery, the banknotes celebrate Jamaica's history, culture, and the progress made since gaining independence in 1962. Despite fluctuations in value over the years, Jamaican paper money remains a symbol of the nation's economic identity. Jamaican currency, coins. Jamaican coins include the 1, 5, 10, and 20-cent coins, as well as the $1, $5, $10, and $20 coins. The smaller denominations, such as the 1 and 5-cent coins, feature the Jamaican coat of arms and national symbols, including the iconic Dr. Bird. The $1 and $5 coins often showcase local heritage and emblematic designs. Higher denomination coins, introduced in the late 1990s and early 2000s, have become a regular part of daily transactions. The $10 coin bears the image of national hero George William Gordon, while the $20 coin honors Marcus Garvey and is distinguished by its unique bimetallic design. Together, these coins celebrate Jamaica's history, culture, and national identity, providing a tangible connection to the island's heritage in everyday life. Jamaica's National Pledge. Before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body, in the service of my fellow citizens. I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace, to work diligently and creatively, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity, and play her part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. Jamaica's National Anthem. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above, justice, truth, be ours forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love. Teach us true respect for all. Stir response to duty's call. Strengthen us the weak to cherish. Give us vision lest we perish. Knowledge send us, Heavenly Father. Grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth, be ours forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love. Jamaica's National Song. I pledge my heart forever to serve with humble pride this shining homeland ever, so long as earth abide. I pledge my heart this island, as God and faith shall live. My work, my strength, my love, and my loyalty to give. Oh, green Isle of the Indies, Jamaica strong and free. Our vows and loyal promises, our heartland 'tis to thee.